want freedom, this state is about as close as it gets. But don't confuse free with anything goes. There are still rules, and if you get them wrong, you'll be learning them from a courtroom bench. Chapter 1. Buying a firearm in New Hampshire. Buying a gun here is straightforward. There's no state permit required, no state registration, and no waiting period. If you're buying from a dealer, you still go through the federal background check like anywhere else. Private sales, as long as you're not knowingly selling to someone prohibited, the state doesn't get involved. There's no assault weapon ban, no magazine capacity limits, no state-level hoops. It's one of the least restrictive states in the country, and wait until we show you the other big win for New Hampshire in Chapter 3. Chapter 2. Permitless carry. Here's where New Hampshire stands out. It's been a constitutional carry state since 2017. If you are 18 or older and can legally possess a firearm, you can carry openly or concealed with no permit. That's right. Loaded, concealed, open, doesn't matter. No permit required. So why bother with a permit? Reciprocity. A New Hampshire pistol and revolver license lets you carry in other states that honor it. It's optional, costs $10 if you're a resident, and $100 for non-residents. Good for 5 years, and you can get it through your local police. Non-residents can apply through the state police. Chapter 3. Guns and vehicles. You can carry a loaded handgun in your car without a permit. No unloading, no special case, just like constitutional carry in public. Heads up, this free transport rule only applies to handguns. Loaded long guns in vehicles still fall under the old rules, so don't load your rifle on the way to the range. And here's a brand new win for 2025. Effective January 2025, any employer that takes state or federal money can't fire or discipline you for keeping a firearm, and only a firearm locked in your vehicle, out of sight while on company property. They can still ban guns inside the building, but your car is your castle. Chapter 4. Where you can't carry. Even in a constitutional carry state, there are still lines you can't cross. Federal buildings, courthouses, schools. If it's a secure government space, leave the gun in the car. Private businesses can ask you to leave if they don't allow guns, and if you refuse, that's trespassing. Chapter 5. Stand your ground. New Hampshire has strong self-defense laws. You don't have a duty to retreat if someone comes at you with deadly force, whether you're in your home, your car, or out in public. Use of force still has to be reasonable, but this state has your back when it comes to defending yourself. Chapter 6. Red flag laws. There aren't any. New Hampshire does not have a red flag law. In fact, the state passed a law in 2022 saying state and local law enforcement can't enforce federal gun control measures that conflict with state law. Chapter 7. Ammunition and other weapons. There are almost no ammo restrictions, other than you can't use armor-piercing or explosive rounds to commit a crime. Stun guns, pepper spray, and tasers are fine. Brass knuckles, batons, and blackjacks? Those are still banned. New Hampshire is one of the freest states in the country when it comes to firearms. Buy what you want. Carry how you want. Protect yourself how you see fit. At Relaxed Fit Tactical, we're here to help you carry comfortably. Check out our concealed carry joggers, shorts, and gear designed for people who love the Second Amendment. Stay safe, stay legal, stay ready.